Hadian kajing khandra bar kajing syam ki pulit ya kajing penan kam ya ka farmhouse haki kam auria Bernard Marak Vice President ke BJP Meghalaya Unit ubaderu trai kani ka farmhouse ula pedre no de ha ka janme jika ar phndre trek bantau panai la yo ban kam yu na ka jala Uttar Pradesh da ki pulit kani ka jala hi Haba pintip ya kani konat ke sangma menteri rang ba ka jala ulo angbo DGP ulayathu bayo Bernard Marak on sawan lam no shatura
I've just informed about half an hour, 15 minutes, half an hour back that the DGP had called me saying that the concerned individual has been picked up and now he'll be brought to Tura.
Menteri rang ba ka jala ulayathu ru ba ka jing khandrai ka farmhouse bar ka jing kem yo Bernard Marak ka dei halor ka jing doni ki sakhi satar ki babiang
Whatever any party may say, this has nothing to do with politics. This has nothing to do with any kind of candidature or any kind of individual contesting against anybody. This is purely on the basis of what was going wrong inside there, purely on the basis of the evidence and the statements that have been given by the people, and also purely on the basis of complaints that have come in. So therefore, they may try to divert the entire issue and try to politicize it, but let me assure each and every one that the evidences that have been collected are very strong and there's a very strong case. The DGP had given a very strong statement last time. You've recorded that. So I don't see any reason for any of us to go into that aspect, and I would appeal to political leaders that in situations like these we must understand what is happening and try to do what is correct, and in these kind of activities is something that will ultimately lead to affecting our youth of the state. So one has to realize that and be responsible in whatever position you are, to realize that these kind of things cannot just go on like that. And as I said, that is enough proof and evidence to show that activities which are not right were going on inside there.